Okay, we're on board here, and first thing we need to do is to, well, actually the very first thing we need to do is press our foot down onto the brake there, and then insert the little magnetic key down into the slot there. And you can see it lights up and beeps once. That means you're ready to go. So then you can press the start button there, and you get 2 beeps. And then you can see how much battery power is left. I have about 62%. It takes about 30 or so, 35 to mow the grass, so I should be good. I should be able to cut everything. If not, I'll just cut as far as I can, and we'll do that. So we'll proceed at a low speed so we can conserve energy for the back, which is more. Anyways, what we'll do here is, since we're already armed and ready to go, we'll press this yellow button right here, which if you press that one down and you hold it, starts up the mower. This red button right here, this enables reverse cutting. Hold it down for 3 seconds. Now you can cut in reverse as long as you don't get up off the seat. So let's start mowing. Driving it is pretty easy. Just put your foot on the gas pedal down there. Off we go. Alright, now we got to set our blade height here. So go with we'll go with the 3. Come down here and take a cut on the edge here. Now we'll just follow the line right down here. You can see we get up close to these cars here, we got to turn, so. See, it's pretty easy to drive. This mower does not have a floating deck, so you have to watch out when you go over bumps because you will scalp your grass. And if you turn it very sharply, you can tip over. Don't ask me how I found that out. I didn't actually tip over, but close to it. It has a pretty tight turning radius too, but it's not like a 0 turn. You still have to plan your cuts. Yeah, we'll juice her up a little bit here. Get done a little faster. You guys are getting a good look here. Now one more pass, and I think we're good. And now we'll come up in here and take care of this stuff up in here. Much as we can. It's kind of weed whacker territory up in here. Over those flowers. Now we get her as close as we can here. Come down here and get this piece. You got to be a little bit careful when you're going around the curbs here. If you're a good driver, you can manage it. Just stay right along the edge, that's all. Have no fear. And then when you get here, turn. You don't want to go off the edge. Don't go over the edge there. Then you have to get up off the seat and pull yourself back up. Taking a few extra turns today too, just provide you with a little excitement. Otherwise I wouldn't be going through all this. And it's a little bit hard to do one-handed. part's a little bit harder to do around the telephone pole here. Pretty high grass there. Well, let's not go over the edge. See if we can get past that little pole right there. Close to the edge. Too close to the edge. I might have scalped the edge a little bit there. It's all right. Take care of this little section. There's some little twigs in here. May make some noises. Gotta get up next to the car here too. Let's try cutting along this fence line here. See what happens. See, that works pretty good. Gets right up there. Watch out for that tree. I missed the spot. Yeah. A couple of quick hot laps around the old tree here. See what we can get without ripping the chair off. Get pretty close. Alright, now that you're all dizzy, not that you are. Now, would you look at that? It seems we're all done. Yeah, it seems we're all done. Boy, I'll tell you what, that was, well, around about 15 minutes right there. So, anyways, I won't bore you with any more cutting. Maybe that's enough for you, maybe it's not. I still need to do the weed whacking and obviously run the blower and everything like that. So, I hope you got an idea what it's like to ride around and cut your grass on a frickin' electric lawnmower. This is Mark with Mark's Home Hobbies. Have a great day and a better one tomorrow. Catch you in the next one.